close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.
Hi, welcome to my video. My name is Harshal Dethi. My register number is ULK19CS 2001. This is data structure and algorithm lab experiment number 6. And in this experiment, the experiment is implementation of doubly linked list. Previously in the singly linked list, we have data and next in the singly linked list. But in doubly linked list, we have previous data and next in the list. So here is the program. Inside that I have taken one struct node. Basically we have to create one node in a doubly linked list. Inside that it has previous data index. So here I have taken struct node pointer previous, struct node pointer next, int num. Afterwards we have to create one head. So your struct node head. After that, this is menu driven program, so I have taken some functions here, that is insert at beginning, insert at position, insert at end, delete element, search and display. In the main program here, because this is the menu driven program, so here I have taken some cases to insert the program. Afterwards, in the first function, that is insert at beginning, this will create struct node pointer of ptr. So this will create one node, that is previous data index. So the first one which is previous, that will be null, and the data which is there, that will be inserted inside that, and the next will have the second node which will be created a memory address, and the new memory at the new memory address will be pointing to the old node that is there. So here ptr struct node malloc size of struct node, this will create one head that will be inserted in the queue from the doubly linked list. Afterwards, if pointer is equal to null, if we had not print this statement, memory is not available, it will print all the garbage values. So pointer is equal to null, it will print memory is not available. In else part, it will ask us to enter the number, because it has two elements, that is previous data and next. So it will ask us to enter one number. So printf enter the number, it will get one number. Inside that, if head is equal to null, then the pointer of next and previous both will be null, and the number which the node which you are inserting, that the number will be given to that node, and the head will point to that new given node. After that, the first node when we create, again we have to add in that before node, we have to insert. Then the pointer of num is equal to item, is the first number which is created, that will be pointing to the before number. Afterwards, pointer of previous, that will be null, pointer of next which will be there, it will point to the head, and the head of previous, that will point to the ptr, and head is equal to ptr. Means this first number which was null, that will point to the first element which we are inserting before that node, and that node will be point to the before memory address, and the new node which will be inserted of next, that will point to new node address. So the first element is inserted in the doubly linked list. Afterwards, we have to insert at positions. Simply this ptr struct node malloc size of struct node, it will create one node. Again, it will create node. Here it will check whether the memory is available or not. We can insert the element or not. Afterwards, the temp is equal to head. It will ask us to enter the position, because the position starts from index position, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. And then it I is equal to 0, I is less than position I plus plus. It will increment position from the 0 to the end position that is in the list. Afterwards, temp is equal to temp of next, means that number which we have inserted, it will go by next and next, and it will check the position if the position is there or not. Then the point will come if the temp is equal to null, it will show us the elements which the position here we have inserted, that is less than, so it will return the value. So we cannot find the position in the list. Afterwards, if the position is there, it will ask us to enter the number which is present in the list. Then the pointer of num is equal to item is this number which you have inserted. Pointer of next, that is temp of next, means the pointer of next will point to the temp of next. Afterwards, pointer of previous will be point is equal to temp, means this temp it will search in the given position. Then the temp of next will be point to the pointer, and temp of next of pointer previous is equal to pointer. So it will check all the given positions in the list, and it will see whether the new number is there or not. Then we are going to insert at end. Here it will create one node. Afterwards, it will check the pointer is equal to null. Then it will ask us to enter the number, scan it. Then pointer of num is equal to item, then head is equal to null. Then the pointer of next and previous both will be null. Then head will is equal to pointer, else part temp will is equal to head. Then while temp of next not equal to null, then it will check whether the temp of next is not null. If the temp of next is null, it will go temp is equal to temp of next. If it is not null, temp of next is equal to pointer of previous, that will be is equal to temp, and the pointer of next, that is equal to null. Then here it will insert the element at the end, and the memory address which was end, it will go null at the next. Afterwards, void delete element, here it will check whether the list is empty or not. If head is equal to null, here the list is empty. Else if head of next is equal to null, if the head is null, then it will delete the first node. The node is deleted. Afterwards, pointer of head is equal to head of next, head of previous is equal to null, and free the pointer. In this pointer, if the first is deleted, afterwards it will point to the uh, before element which is present in the list, then it will delete that pointer which is present in the list. So here the element is deleted. Afterwards, void search, because we have to search the elements in the list. Afterwards, here is the pointer we have to search. Int item is equal to 0, here is the flag. Afterwards, it will check if list is empty, we will not able to search the elements in the list. So pointer is equal to null. Then else part, enter the number to be searched. Then it will take number from the user. Then pointer is not is equal to null. If pointer of num is equal to item, it will ask us to enter element at the location which is there. Then the flag is equal to 0 and break the condition. Then the element will be printed in the printed of the list. In else part, with if the flag is equal to all, pointer it will be I plus plus, then pointer is equal to pointer of next, it will show the search element which is present in the list. If the flag is equal to 1, means flag which was there, means in the list which we have, the element is not found, it will show here the element is not found. In display struct node, it will print all the elements which are from head. In while loop, pointer is not is equal to null, it will show pointer of num which all the elements which are present in the list it will show, and pointer is equal to pointer of next. So here it will show all the elements which are present in the list. So here I am running the output of the program. So this is the output of the program. So here is the menu of the doubly linked list. Here are the options. So I'm inserting the first node at the beginning. Now I'm inserting number 10. So element is inserted successfully. Afterwards I'm inserting the element at end. Now I'm inserting number 20. Element inserted successfully. Now I have to insert the element at the position. So I'm inserting the position. See here it is asking us to enter the position. So I'm entering 0 because the index starts from 0. Now I'm inserting 15. So here it is showing element inserted successfully. Now I have to check whether the elements which I have inserted that is in present in the list or not. So here are all the elements present in the list. That first and beginning I have inserted 10. At the position of 0 I have inserted 15. At the end I have inserted 20. Afterwards now I have to search one element. So I am searching for example 15. So it is asking us to enter the number to be searched. So I am entering 15. So this is the location, that is 2, because when we count from 1 to 3 4 5 6 etc, and the index starts from 0. So here it is showing us 2. Afterwards now I have to delete one element. So I am deleting the element. So the first element which was there means 10, that is deleted. Again I have to delete one element. So again I am deleting one. So second element is also deleted. Now I have to check whether the element which were there 10 and 15 are deleted or not. So I am checking the elements. Yes, this first two elements that were there, that I deleted. So this was this was the experiment number 6, implementation of doubly linked list. Thanks for watching my